Hello BCV Nation, just want to drop in this quick video for business financing. So we're going to go over some points about getting approved for large capital for your business, so stay tuned. Welcome back. So one of the things I want to talk about in this video is how to go about getting financing for your business, getting funding. Unfortunately, we're not going to talk about how to get this funding with traditional lending or your traditional banks like Chase, Bank of America, and the sort. This is more for alternative lending. So this is more geared towards working directly with either a broker or a financial institution who lends or loan money to small businesses. So one of the things that you have to take into consideration is that, well, first of all, as opposed to traditional lending, you don't have to have 5 years, 2 years, 3 years in business in order for you to access a good amount of capital. But what you need to have is cash flow. Preferably if you're grossing about $10,000 a month in sales or $120,000 a year, so you could be a good candidate to access a good amount of funding and upwards like $30,000, $40,000, even $100,000. For the latter though, for the $100,000, of course, mathematically, right, you will have to be generating a greater amount of money on a yearly basis. So one thing that you have to also take into consideration is that these alternative lending or alternative funding companies, they will require that you put down your personal information in terms of social security number. Most of them, they'll ask you to put down your social security number. So that's not a big deal because they will not do a hard pull on your credit. So it's going to be a soft pull, but that will guarantee you to access a larger amount of funds when you're applying for a loan with these companies. So again, preferably you should have been in business for about 6 months in order for you to qualify for this kind of funding. And you will know by now that getting funding from traditional banking, it's absolutely impossible, nearly impossible, with all the requirements that they have, especially for business owners like ourselves. But with this alternative lending, they only look at a few things. The cash flow is a big one. I mean, I recommend that you have some sort of cash flow in your business. Also, your business, you be in business for at least 6 months, and also having a credit score of at least 650 will give you a huge advantage on getting approved for either a block, a business line of credit, or any kind of funding. So those are the 3 things that I really suggest that you have in line before you reach out to these companies. Now, we've worked closely with Rock Financial. We have acquired at least 3 loans from them. So we take a loan. I remember the first loan that we took with them. It was a small loan just to kind of like establish the business relationship with them. And after that, then I accessed a bigger amount. And then after that, like a greater amount. So what I do recommend is that to take a look at this company. Again, we recommend them because we've worked with them at least in 3 fundings that we needed, and the process was extremely easy. So I recommend it. I'm going to post the link down below. Just a heads up, it's an affiliate link that we have from them. Hence, I'm able to refer you to them because I personally, as a company, we've worked with them. So take a look. Let me know what you think. Also, if you have any questions about funding, let me know if you'll be interested in watching an interview with some of the people that I've worked with from Rock Financial. I will be more than glad to do so. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.
Salir esa